How to adjust Facebook Lite privacy settings for more control. Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today in this video, I will teach you on how to adjust Facebook Lite privacy settings for more control. So now let's get started. First of all, launch your Facebook Lite application on your device. Now, when you are on the app, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Now scroll down and tap on Settings. Now tap on Privacy Checkup, and here you can customize according to your preference. Again, go back, scroll down to Audience and Visibility, and here are a bunch of settings that you can adjust to control your privacy and how others interact with you. So this is how to change your privacy settings in Facebook Lite. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.